All right, check this out. Our 80 series Land Cruiser bonnet was looking seriously cooked. Faded, patchy, sunburned, you name it. So we took it to Mickey's Custom Panel and Paint in Lawnton, and look at this transformation.
Okay, let's go.
They pulled off just the bonnet, matched the color perfectly to 30-year-old paint, and made it look factory fresh again. The blend is unreal. You honestly wouldn't even know it's been repainted. They also gave the rest of the Cruiser a polish, and now the whole thing looks absolutely mint. Every time we walk up to the car, it legit makes us smile, and seeing the sky reflecting off that bonnet is just beautiful. Huge shout out to Mickey's Custom Panel and Paint in Lawnton, Queensland. Not sponsored, just genuinely blown away. Fair pricing, top-tier workmanship, and a result that absolutely speaks for itself.